think this catmint, Nepeta, Purrsian Blue, is one of the best plant introductions I've seen in 20 years. It really is quite remarkable. Stays absolutely compact, and as the flowers go over, and some of these are just beginning to go over, if you shear it back, water and feed it, up it comes again and does that time and again right the way through the summer. And if I stop for a minute, you just hear the bees. It's full of them, and butterflies too. Quite a good combination of this Purrsian Blue is with roses. In hindsight, we'd have planted them just a little bit closer. This is one of the Timeless series, Timeless Cream. It's very good for cutting, very healthy, and beautifully scented. That's what we want, fragrance all the time. And this Pittosporum, it's called Silver Ball, an absolute cracker. I've got box beat. You don't need to trim it, it just keeps that perfect globe shape. And when I talk about fragrance, these new, quite tall, cut flower garden pinks are fantastic. Now they're in their third year here, so the stems are getting a little shorter, and there's probably more bloom as a result. This is Bridal Star, and we have a variety called Red Carpet and another one, Pink Ruffles. Every garden should have a few of these to cut. Just imagine all those spray carnations in garages with no scent, and now we can have them with a good fragrance.